Hey everybody, this is Pete in the Carpizzo Studios. And today I just wanted to go over a few things with you because today we're making the Italian pot roast in the slow cooker. And, I put some wine, tomato sauce, actually a lot of dark red wine, and I browned it real good. And I got it all in there with some vegetables. And I just wanted to tell you where it comes from. If you look over my shoulder, you see where it says Chuck down here, over there, Chuck. It says Chuck. That's the boneless piece of meat that I'm using, which is going to be drop tender, delicious with the vegetables and the gravy. And, you can add some other vegetables, whatever you like to it. So I made a twist to it so that we can have it Americanized, Italianized, but it does have its wine and it has its tomato sauce. So remember, Stracotto means overcooked in Italian. And we use the slow cooker, then it makes sure that we get it cooked. You can put it in a Dutch oven, put it in your oven, do it any which way you like, but give it a try. I know meat's expensive, but get a small piece like I did, as small as you can to feed your family, and give it a try. So there we have it, and watch the shorter version, and you can see how I put it together and put it in the pot and do that. So we'll have the reveal on this later in another videotape. So now a little heads up, in another tape coming up, we're going to be doing a Kalamata wheat bread. I know you guys maybe don't like bread, or you do like bread, but I'm going to make this wheat bread with Kalamata olives. And when you do it with wheat bread, it's high on the fiber and it's good for your system. Okay. So remember, we're doing a lot to help to show you to do things a little easier. I don't really like to move as fast as I do, but we're trying to do things within a time constraint. And if you have any questions, please email or make a comment. And I do reply to all the comments, as other people that have replied back to me because I replied, and that's how this goes. So there we have it. I want you all to please have a nice day. Thank you for following us. And if you haven't followed us yet, please give a look at all our videos. Heal, Lead, Teach, and YouTube, and Carpizzo's Kitchen is right there. Give us a follow. I have lots of different things we're making, and we will see you again. This is Pete at Carpizzo's. Out.